Hello everyone! Today we are diving into a complete guide on how we correct facial sagging, volume shift, and fat loss in the face. A lot of people look in the mirror, see a tired face and think, I just need to fill that hollow. But true facial rejuvenation is never about filling holes. The face is a complex ecosystem, and a tired appearance usually happens because the underlying structural padding, our natural fat pads, is shifting or shrinking. Our medical goal is to work with that aging process, creating fresh energy and well-defined contour so you look refreshed and vibrant, not merely slimmer. To do that, we use a toolkit of advanced clinical treatments backed by smart lifestyle habits you can practice at home. When facial fat pads sag or lose volume, we don't rely on one single tool. We combine approaches to achieve a complete natural results. When we need to restore deep missing structural support, traditionally, hyaluronic acid fillers are excellent. They lift the apple cheekbones, and jawlines to smooth the overall profile. Lighter skin booster then hydrate the surface skin and improve its texture, helping to mask any underlying irregularity. If the issue is loose, saggy skin from lost volume underneath, we use energy-based treatment. Devices like long pulse alexandrite or anti-yak laser, fractional radiofrequency or monopolar radiofrequency lift, and tighten the skin from the outside. And if the face looks puffy or heavy or has localized pocket of old migrated fillers, that's where enzyme treatment such as PBSerum comes in, targeting the tissues at its source, softening tough fibrotic tissues and reducing puffiness for a balanced look. While all of these tools are valuable, modern science has given us a true game changer engineered specifically for saggy fat pads, Profhilo Structura. You may have heard of the original Profhilo, which acts like a luxury injectable moisturizer for the skin. Profhilo Structura goes a layer deeper. It targets the subcutaneous fat layer, the very cushions that slide south when our ligaments loosen over time, creating hollow cheeks and jowls. Structura is a regenerative lipo lifter. It doesn't just occupy space like an artificial gel implant, it prompts your own tissues to rebuild itself through a fascinating biological process. First, it makes of highly concentrated, pure hyaluronic acid with no harsh chemical cross-linking. Because of this, it doesn't form a hard lump. It spreads smoothly and evenly through the sagging fat layer like warm honey. Once it integrates, it acts as a cellular messenger, waking up the stem cells inside your fat tissues and triggering adipogenesis, which encourages your natural fat cells to remodel, regenerate, and behave like younger, firmer fat. Finally, it stimulates new collagen and elastin right inside that fat layer, tightening the internal web of fibers that hold everything up. It repairs and firms the deflated padding underneath, lifting early jowls and hollow cheeks back up, completely untraceable. Think of it this way. If traditional filler is like putting a heartbreak under a sagging couch to prop it up, Profhilo Structura is like restoring the worn-out form inside the cushion itself. So it naturally expands, firms up, and regains its original bounce.